Good morning, everyone. My name is Akram Fakruddin Swandi with name 2301507. I will explain the important grammar topics as verb clauses and adjective clauses. I will also describe their type, function, and examples to help you understand how they work in sentence. What is an adverb clause? An adverb clause is dependent clause that functions just like an adverb. It gives extra details such as when, why, how, or where an action takes place. These clauses always begin with subordinating conjunction like because, when, although, and many others. For example, in the sentence, I stay home because it was raining. The clause because it was raining explains the reason for the action. After N1 or as soon as. In this slide, we compare similar time conjunction after show that one action happened later than other, but not necessarily immediately after. Meanwhile, once and as soon as so that something happens right away after a previous action, the time gap is very short. So that when the current is how quickly the second actions follow the first. When and whenever. When it is used for specific moment or time, whenever, on the other hand, is used to express something that happen every time certain situation occurs. For example, call me when you get home refers to a specific moment, while whenever I feel stressed describe a repeated or habitual situation. When and by the time. Here we compare with the parse by the time. When refers to general moment in time, but by the time emphasizes that one action has already finished before another event occurs. For example, by the time I arrived, the meeting had ended. We saw that meeting ended first, then arrived later. Because I don't know that. Because it's used to give a general reason, something that normally explain the action. Now that, however, is used in the this new situation that changes things. For example, now that you are here, we can start. The represent is the new condition that allows something else to happen. Even though and even if. Even though express a real effect that contrasts with the result. For instance, someone work even though they're tired. This is real situation. Even if describe a hypothetical condition, something you may or may not. For example, I will join even it rains. The rain is only possibility, not a fact. What is an adjective clause? An adjective clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adjective. Meaning it describes a noun, it usually begin with relative pronouns such as who, which, or that. This purpose is it to give more information so the noun becomes clearer and more specific. Relative pronoun. Here have several important relative pronoun. Who refers to people as the subject, whom refers to people as the object, which refer animal or things. That is flexibility. It can be used for people, animals, or things. And whose so possession. Knowing this pronoun help us create a accurate and meaningful adjective clause. Relative adverb. Relative adverb like where, when, why are used to describe place, time, and reason. They connect a noun with additional information. For example, this is the cafe where we meet. The word where links the place with the event that happened there. Example of each. Next, we look at the difference between essential and non-essential clauses. Unessential clauses give information that is necessary to identify the noun, so it doesn't use commas. A non-essential clause provides extra information meaning the noun is already clear even without it, so commas are required. Example, essential clauses. In essential clauses, such as students who arrive early get good seats, the part who arrive early identify which group of students we're talking about. Without the clause, the meaning would be too general. Non-essential clause. In non-essential clause, like my father who works in Bali will visit. The information who works in Bali is additional. It doesn't change the identity of my father. That's why we spared it with commas. The same goes for the Taj Mahal, which is India. Its location is extra information, not something need to identify it. Thank you.